हेलो फ्रेंड, स्वागत है मेरे ब्लॉग चैनल में। ये हम लोग खड़े हैं साग्राडा फैमिली का एक चर्च है, उसको बासिलिका भी बोलते हैं, इसको कैथेड्रल भी बोलते हैं। ये वन ऑफ द अट्रैक्शन ऑफ बार्सिलोना। ये बहुत पुरानी है, बोला जाता है कि इसका फाउंडेशन रखा गया था 19 मार्च 1882 को, और अभी भी ये इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन चल ही रहा है। सो यू कैन इमेजिन। इसके आर्किटेक्ट है एंटोनियो गॉडी, वन ऑफ द फेमस आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ द स्पेन और यू कैन से यूरोप। और जो इसका टारगेट है कंप्लीट होने का 2026 में कंप्लीट होने का टारगेट दिया गया है। देखते हैं पूरा होता है या नहीं होता है। तो अभी मैं दिखाऊंगा पूरा चारों तरफ ये कैसा इसका है, इसका डिजाइन है। ये मास्टरपीस है बेसिकली। चलो आपको दिखाता हूँ चारों तरफ। थैंक यू। कुछ स्पेशल बताता हूँ इस बेसिलिका के बारे में। साग्रादा फैमिलिया बार्सिलोना स्पेन में स्थित एक विशाल और अधूरी रोमन कैथोलिक बेसिलिका है। इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क्स ऑफ द सिटी एंड a masterpiece of modernist architecture. Construction of this basilica began in 1882 under architect Francisco. बाद में in 1883 Antonio Gaudi took over the project and transformed it with his distinctive style, blending Gothic and art forms. Gaudi dedicated much of his life to the basilica and it became his magnum opus. साग्रादा फैमिलिया का निर्माण अभी भी अधूरा है और 100 से अधिक वर्षों के बाद भी इसे पूरा नहीं किया जा सका है। गौदी की मृत्यु के बाद भी निर्माण कार्य जारी रहा, लेकिन वित्तीय समस्याओं और स्पेनिश गृह युद्ध के कारण इसमें देरी हुई। वर्तमान में यह अनुमान लगाया जा रहा है कि इसका निर्माण 1926 तक पूरा हो सकता है, जो गौदी की मृत्यु का शताब्दी वर्ष होगा। Basilica has 3 grand facades: the Nativity facade, the Passion facade, and the Glory facade. Each depicts different stages of the life of Jesus Christ. The basilica is characterized by its tall spires, intricate sculptures, and organic flowing forms. The interior features columns resembling trees, creating a forest-like atmosphere. Parts of the Sagrada Familia, including the Nativity facades and the crypt, were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2005. Gaudi designed the basilica with deep religious symbolism, incorporating Christian themes and nature-inspired motifs and innovative engineering. Every aspect of the building has spiritual significance. The internal architecture of the Sagrada Familia is as breathtaking and intricate as its exterior, showcasing Antonio Gaudi's unique vision of blending nature, spirituality, and modern engineering. The interior columns are one of the most defining features of the Sagrada Familia. Gaudi designed them to resemble trees, with branching supports at the top that mimic the structure of the natural canopies. This creates the sensation of being in a vast stone forest, with the columns rising up like trunks and spreading out of the top like branches. The ceiling of the basilica is decorated with intricate star-shaped patterns that add to the celestial feel of the space. The Gaudi used a system of hyperbolic and parabolic vaults which not only create visual interest but also distribute the weight of the building evenly, an engineering marvel of its time. The soaring height of the nave, the central part of the church, is designed to uplift the spirit,
directing the eyes and the mind toward the heavens. The ceiling reaches up to 45 meters in height, creating a grand sense of space and openness. One of the most spectacular features of the Sagrada Familia's interior is the vibrant stained glass windows. Gaudi used color strategically. The eastern side of the basilica, which receives the morning light, is dominated by cool tones like blues and greens, while the western side, illuminated by the setting sun, glowing with warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows. These windows fill the interior with shifting colored light throughout the day, creating a dynamic and ethereal atmosphere. Gaudi was deeply inspired by nature and he designed the basilica to maximize the use of natural light. The large windows and careful positioning of opening ensure that sunlight floods the space, enhancing the spiritual experience by creating a sense of divine presence. The interior of the Sagrada Familia is a culmination of Gaudi's desire to blend the natural world with religious devotion. Today, the Sagrada Familia is one of the most visited attractions in Spain, drawing millions of tourists annually. Despite being unfinished, it functions as a place of worship and holds religious services.